I think the biggest need for the advisory services is really knowing that you're really optimizing a couple of things. One, to your point, those user journeys. I mean, we do tend to get focused on the negative a lot of times in support, um, but it's really understanding how you want to deliver customer experience to your client base. That could be being more proactive, notifying of things coming up. It's that mixture of sales, engagement with a customer, doing segmentation, understanding the needs of the customer even before they possibly do, and giving them the information they want to be successful, and especially having a good end experience with the brand. Uh, the other part is optimizing the investment that you have. I mean, as CRMs especially have kind of become more, I guess, enhanced or kind of spreading through what they can deliver in terms of that whole customer journey. Originally it was just kind of contact management, but over time they've expanded into managing the different media channels, having different interfaces into other technologies, ERPs, IoT, you know, uh, different tools, mobile, and expanding that footprint in terms of what that tool can use for service delivery and what it can offer. So the advisory services are really there to help understand, what those journeys are that a customer is trying to get to, but also knowing, with all the choices that you have to invest in going forward, making sure that the ones that you're going to put on your roadmap, the technologies you're going to adopt, the projects you're going to take on, are actually going to drive toward the success criteria that your specific company has. What we see a lot are, hey, what is good customer experience? And you're told, here's the template. You must do these 7 things.
Mm-hmm.
But really, that context, that framework for success is unique to each organization. Some are trying to drive cost, some are trying to ratchet up the experience itself. Others are trying to make it so that their employees and their agents and the representatives are more successful and more efficient. So really, the advisory services is looking at all of that and making sure the investment you have in your service architecture, and in your processes, are really going toward what is going to make that organization successful.
This session was outstanding, Craig, and thank you for being our guest.
Thank you for having me. It's been great.
And thank you to the audience. We hope you've enjoyed this episode of the Spiridian Advantage video podcast. For more information about our solutions that we've discussed here today, or things that you would like to present in upcoming podcasts, please contact me at info@spiridian.com. Thank you.